Welcome back to Auto Buzz TV, your daily dose of wild wheels, quirky builds, and all things that roll with attitude. If it's unique, bizarre, or just plain cool, you'll find it right here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss a ride. What do you get when you take a tricycle, stretch it out, slap on a camper, and paint it a bold, unapologetic purple? You get one of the most eye-catching RVs on three wheels, a purple RV camper tricycle that's turning heads and rewriting the rules of road travel. Yes, you heard that right. An RV. On a tricycle. This isn't your average weekend getaway vehicle. It's part motorcycle, part tiny home, and 100% personality. At first glance, you might think it's a wild custom build just for laughs, but this purple beast is a fully functional micro RV that someone actually lives and travels in. Let's break it down. The base is a motorized tricycle, a three-wheeled chassis that's been extended and reinforced to carry the weight of the camper body. The front end still has the handlebars and throttle of a typical motorbike, but the rear tells a very different story. A wide dual-axle setup supports a surprisingly roomy cabin, which includes enough space for a sleeping area, a small kitchenette, and some clever storage solutions. Painted in a bright, metallic purple, this RV trike doesn't try to blend in. It's meant to stand out. The finish is glossy, custom detailed with white and silver accents, giving it that retro-futuristic look that almost feels like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. But what's it like inside? For a vehicle this compact, the interior is surprisingly functional. Step in, and you'll find a fold-out bed, compact shelving, and a countertop with just enough room for basic cooking gear. Some builds even include a mini fridge powered by a small solar setup mounted on the roof. There's also usually a water tank tucked in under the chassis for a sink or outdoor shower. Now, let's talk performance. This trike is no speed demon, and it's not trying to be. Most of these builds use engines in the 150cc to 250cc range, which is enough to cruise at city speeds and manage light highway driving. It's definitely more suited for scenic routes than fast lanes, but that's kind of the point. The focus here is all about freedom and simplicity. With fuel efficiency that beats most camper vans and the ability to park almost anywhere, it offers a minimalist travel lifestyle with maximum personality. Who's building these things? Most of these purple camper trikes are custom builds by solo creators or small workshops. There are a few YouTubers and tiny home enthusiasts who've shared their build process, often using salvaged parts, motorcycle frames, and lightweight materials like aluminum and fiberglass. The purple paint job. That's just the cherry on top, a statement color that says, yeah, this is different, and I'm proud of it. And if you're wondering about road legality, yes, in many places, these are street legal as long as they meet basic safety requirements like lights, mirrors, and turn signals. Helmets are usually required, and the driver does need a motorcycle or three-wheeler license depending on local laws. So, who is this for? If you're someone who loves the open road but doesn't want a massive RV or an expensive van build, a trike camper could be your dream ride. It's perfect for solo travelers, digital nomads, or anyone who wants to downsize and live life with fewer limits. Plus, the attention you get. Off the charts. Expect double takes, questions at every gas stop, and lots of photo ops. But it's not just about the flash. These builds are also a celebration of creativity. They show how far you can go. With some imagination, basic tools, and a whole lot of determination. In a world of cookie-cutter vehicles, the purple camper trike is pure rebellion on three wheels. Before we wrap up, here's one final thought. Travel doesn't have to be expensive, big, or traditional. Sometimes, it's about finding freedom in the smallest, weirdest package you can build. And if that package just happens to be a purple RV on a trike frame, even better. Thanks for riding along with us on Auto Buzz TV. If you love this look at the wild world of trike campers, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And hey, what color would your dream trike camper be? Drop it in the comments below. Subscribe for more automotive oddities, custom builds, and one-of-a-kind machines you won't see anywhere else.